did you do that? How did you do that?
I didn't, it was him. Kelsey,
Hey, are you the new Messiah?
Yes, yes I am. Hey guys, my name's Craig Petty and welcome to Chop. I'll do it in your hand. Hold your hand out for me.
What?
Hold your hand out flat.
What?
Chop is a custom designed gimmick that allows you to do the classic chop cup routine with a borrowed cup and a borrowed bill. Imagine walking into any coffee shop or any bar anywhere in the world, borrowing a cup, borrowing a bill, and going into an absolutely mind-blowing chop cup routine. The idea is it uses a ball, it uses a cup, and it uses a magic wand. So the pen, the cup, and the bill. Here's what we're going to do. You're going to take the pen, watch the cup with the dollar bill in it. All you have to do is use that like a magic wand and just point it at the cup. I love the action. Do you know what happens when he does that though, Kelsey?
What happened?
The dollar bill disappears.
What?
Now, look, I know you look confused, but it's really easy. Look, if you just tap the cup like this, what happens is it comes back underneath. Let me do that again, Look, watch. Do you see the, look, let me go slowly. Watch carefully. It happens on 3. 1, 2, 3. Did you see it go? No, it's right there underneath the cup.
How did you do that? Seriously?
I'll do it in your hand. Hold your hand out for me.
What the fuck?
Hold your hand out flat. It's not going to happen until you say go. And you'll feel it land.
I'm like trying to figure this out.
Look, that's just the beginning. You can do with this gimmick things that you could never do with a normal chop cup. Imagine being able to do a chop cup routine on a spectator's hand. Imagine being able to just put a cup down on top of a bill and immediately have it vanish. You can do all that and more, but here's the thing. We've combined chop cup with a bill to lemon finale. So just when you think that the whole thing's finished, you make a lemon appear, you cut open the lemon, which is examined by the way, and inside the lemon is the bill that you were using to do the chop cup routine. If that's the one with your name on it, that's going to be the finish to my act, and that'd be incredible. Open it up, have a look.
It's your handwriting.
For the first time ever, we've included on this project updated handlings, updated concepts, updated moves, and there's a whole section on other things that you can do with the chop gimmick. We've combined playing cards, coins, sponge balls, mentalism into one package. Now, the chop gimmick isn't just a one-trick pony. You can do that, and you can show that that folded up card that you put there from the beginning is actually their signed card. Just that alone, in my opinion, like this has been the biggest secret, and when I came up with it, I was so happy with the concept of having this basically allow you to do an impromptu mystery box anytime, anywhere. And it is, honestly, you try it in the real world, you'll see how strong it is. You will never leave the house without your chop gimmick, because as long as you have it on you, you're going to be able to do absolute miracles. Guys, my name's Craig Petty, and this is Chop.